Welcome to Hustle Empire. In today's video, we'll go through how you can earn $1,000 per week in 4 simple steps. I'll teach you how to earn up to $1,000 every week using this affiliate marketing method for beginners. I will share the affiliate link to highly interested potential clients. And no, we will not use paid traffic, but rather a completely free and secret method of making money. Hello and welcome to Hustle Empire, a channel dedicated to teaching you about internet business, make money online, and AI automation. I hope you like the video. Let's get started right away with the first step, which is to upload the video to the site, www.crowdfireapp.com. Their objective is obvious: social media management made simple. That's right. Crowdfireapp.com is a social media marketing tool that organizes and schedules all of your social media content in one place. Although we will not be using their platform, it is important that we have a look at the top features. Why this is so important to know will become clear later in the video. When we scroll down, the first thing we notice are the tools to obtain relevant articles on any topic. If you come across anything interesting, you may share it right away by using your social networks such as Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook. You may also share your website's link through your social accounts. As previously said, you may schedule all of your content beforehand, which is great to put out content there consistently. And you won't have to worry about creating your content for each platform separately. Crowdfireapp.com allows you to make your post once and then share it on several platforms, such as Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. The platform will suggest the same post with a slightly different style and match it to your other social media accounts. At the moment, we're scrolling down and clicking on affiliates and referrals. I will share the unique crowdfireapp.com referral link in order to make an additional $1,000 every week. This page summarizes everything. Suggest a customer and earn a referral. Let's now check the referral breakdown. The app offers you 35% of any payments Crowdfire make in the first year if you refer someone to them. Let's go through the most important feature: 35% commissions, cash profits, and no joining fees. Payouts are processed swiftly and earnings are limitless, and the dashboard tracking is quite straightforward. Isn't that what you were expecting when you began watching this video? But how does Crowdfire work exactly? The first step is to sign up for an account and get your referral link. Join the program to acquire your unique tracking link, and you will receive a commission for people that sign up using this link. The second step is to share your link across your social networks. I recommend that you share your link via social media, blogs, and emails. These strategies are effective, but not as efficient as the method I'll show you in the next part of this video. The next step is to receive 35% of every payment made by your customers, even when you are asleep. Doesn't that appear to be passive income? Let's see a good example of how much commission you may earn by using the affiliate link. Let's begin with the most important part. How much money can you expect to make? There is no limit to the number of people you may refer and begin earning money. That means you may make truly large sums on each and every payment made by the customer. For example, if you share your referral link and a customer sign up for the $99 monthly VIP plan, you will receive $35 every month for the first year. That's $420 from a single customer. Remember that this is for one customer only. You sign up for the affiliate program. Using this secret method, you can easily have lots of customers sign up for the program every day. You get paid $35 on the first day, but earn a total of $420 since hot leads like these are expected to join up for a year. For the following 12 months, the monthly cost is $35. Passive income at its best. Convinced? I was thinking the same thing. Let's now move ahead and click the Join button. You begin by entering your email address. Once you enter your personal information and the password, you agree to the terms of service by checking the box. You can now click on the Create an Account button. Next, you can choose Skip for the time being since we assume that not everyone has a team for the time being. You can now access the Crowdfire dashboard. You may learn more about Crowdfire by clicking Learn More. For now, we'll click Dismiss since I'll go over the key features of the plan. Let's go to the screen's left column and click on Links to get your affiliate link. Crowdfire via PartnerStack allows us to tweak your referral link, which increases your chances of success. You may come up with anything creative for your link's unique ID, such as your social media handle. You may also put your brand name in the URL to give viewers the impression that this is a truly special offer. You may be wondering where you will share your link and who these incredibly eager prospects are now that we have your referral link. Let me explain. Step 2 is to visit Upwork.com, one of the most famous freelancing marketplaces. Most of you know this website, but in case you aren't, Upwork is a platform where people can hire freelancers for a variety of project tasks. Digital marketing, graphic design, and copywriting are some projects you can complete with Upwork freelancing. Before we get into the details of what we'll be doing on Upwork, sign up for an account at Upwork. You can enter your email address, choose a username and a password. Your account has now been created. To activate your account, accept the verification email in your inbox. Now we're ready to get into the main part of this video. Before we get the next part of this video, I'd want to remind you to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Let's now take a look at social media marketing. I advise you to pay close attention from now on, since you must follow each step exactly. Otherwise, you run the risk of being banned from Upwork.com. There are several marketers out there that are willing to manage your social accounts, create posts, and schedule posts. We can take a look at some of these freelance projects to make sure we're dealing with genuine freelancers. Keep an eye on their ratings and orders. This ensures that we are working with trustworthy profiles. We plan to find such freelancers on Upwork.com and contact them using the message function. We are not authorized to provide them the affiliate referral via Upwork. We are aware that this is not authorized on Upwork. So what are the alternatives? We'll write the freelancers an email saying something like, "Hey, I was very excited when I saw your gig, and I'm considering working with you. Could I look at one of your accounts to get an idea of what I may anticipate from your services? Best regards." This is a common message that people send to Upwork.com freelancers, and we aren't breaking any rules, and the freelancer gives us one of their accounts for social proof. It is important to note that you should not constantly write the same message to various freelancers. Always change a few words in your message. Assume the freelancer sends us their Instagram link through Upwork Message tab. This is the third step. Now we'll send them an Instagram message that looks like this. "Hello, I saw you provide social media management services and was wondering whether you already use a social media management tool. If not, please review my customized referral link and let me know what you think. It has already been used by 19 million people, and a special pricing is presently being offered currently. You may easily earn $1,000 per week if you adopt this approach 10 times each day." Step 4. As I revealed at the beginning of this video, I'd also provide 3 more methods to generate even more money using this money-making method. This method should be applied not just to Upwork, but also to other sites like Fiverr.com, and PeoplePerHour.com. And once again, you're set to start making $1,000 every week with this affiliate marketing method for beginners. Remember to subscribe if you want to see more content about how to make money online and AI automation. See you next time at the Hustle Empire.